Hello folks, this is Sharon Naraine and coming to you from the Sunshine State. I'm huffing and puffing here in the Sunshine State in Florida, and we have big thing going on. I mean, all these leaves. Hi, and see the yard full of leaves. All these leaves there from this big tree, and the pollen is killing people. Oh my gosh, look at that, the pollen. And it's kind of dry here right now. We need some rain, so you Georgians, please send down some rain. Okay, sis, so Rachel, please send some rain down. We need the rain to calm down this pollen from this tree. So that's what's going on here, folks. See me with my big rake. I'm raking up. Okay, I'm raking up. There goes my good flower down. You seen me doing time?
Nothing.
Just touch. Alright, you seen? Okay, so you gotta see me. Alright. So there you go, folks. See me here raking up all these leaves. All these leaves here. Oh, I'm making them into a heap. Yeah. That's my neighbor. He don't know when I'll do his stuff and come back. Oh my gosh, Jesus. Lots of leaves here. So how about you folks? You think we Floridians, we don't have yard work to do? We do have yard work. Alright, see, I have one heap over there. One over there done already. 2, 3, 4. Oh my. And I have a big heap over there. Okay folks, wish me well with my Reiki. Sharon and Rain, peace out, take care, bye for now. Touch the red button so you can stop. Maybe when you're vegetative, you move a little bit.